Susi's Buns, anyone? Hey folks, I'm Lynn Blow from linsfood.com and Singaporean and Malaysian recipes.com. Today's recipe is from the Eurasian and Nyonya communities in Singapore and Malaysia. It's a definite Portuguese legacy. It's called Pang Susi. Now some families say Pang means sister, as in this is called Susi's sister. But the common consensus is that the word Pang is a local derivative somehow over the years from the Portuguese word pão, which means bread or buns in this instance. This is a meat-filled sweet potato bun. The dough itself is made from a combination of flour and mashed sweet potato. It is then filled with meat. Traditionally, this would be pork, but it is just as common to use minced chicken, minced beef, if you like, which is what I'm using here. I've got minced beef. So you end up having a marginally crisp on the outside bun, fluffy like pillow on the inside, and a savoury and just a hint of sweet filling. It's an extremely easy recipe to put together, and it is a very, very popular tea time treat within the Eurasian and Nyonya communities. Shall we get to it?
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Well, there you have it. Feng Susi, Susi's Buns, a muslin blog. I shall catch you guys real soon.